Good day, I'm Theodore Henry with your GIS News for Friday, October 20. Minister of National Security Robert Montego has announced the appointment of a new 5-member board for the Firearm Licensing Authority. The new board, which will serve for 3 years, is chaired by National Security Advisor Major General Anthony Anderson. Other members are retired puisne judge Justice Marva McIntosh, retired senior superintendent Albert Edwards, retired civil servant Ina Rose, and banker Anicia Nita.
The mandate to the new authority is to go in, is to enhance the systems that are there, is to clean out any corruption that they would have hit upon, and is to make the FLA that agency that is beyond reproach.
34 live rounds of ammunition have been recovered in the Denham Town zone of special operations. Thursday's discovery came 2 days after Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared Denham Town as the second zone on Tuesday. Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay of the Zoso Communications Unit says 9,000 searches have so far been conducted.
They have searched over 2,000 motor vehicles. They have processed a number of individuals. No one has been formally charged for any major offense yet.
In an update on the Zoso Twitter feed today, it was revealed that one man has been arrested for breaching Section 21 of the Zones of Special Operations Act by providing false identification. The man reportedly tried to use his brother's ID to breach one of the 30 security checkpoints that have been established in Denham Town. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he expects that Parliament will pass the Building Act within the next 2 weeks. The bill, which is now before the House of Representatives, seeks to establish a modern legislative framework that will serve to reduce the vulnerability of Jamaica's built environment and ensure public safety. The legislation provides for the establishment of the National Building Code and empowers the Bureau of Standards to set acceptable local and international standards for construction. A building practitioners board and the appointment of the municipal corporations as the local building authorities are also set out in the law.
And I am expecting that we should be able in the next 2 weeks to pass Jamaica's new building codes, which will see a much stronger building sector and a far more resilient and sustainable spatial development of our country.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness was speaking at Wednesday's opening of the inaugural Regional Housing Conference in Montego Bay. 40 members of the disabled community are now in receipt of laptops to increase their access to the digital world. Valued at $13.5 million, the equipment were donated by the Universal Service Fund to tertiary level students and some who are already employed.
We are living in an era where technology is a major driver of development. Modern technologies are making it easier for citizens across the globe and indeed persons with disabilities to be included in this development trajectory.
A $1 million grant fund has been launched for the establishment of youth businesses in and around the Blue and John Crow Mountains. The fund is open to young people aged 18 to 35 years who are operating businesses that use Jamaica's cultural practices and traditions in the creation of goods and services. Culture Minister Olivia Grange made the announcement Wednesday at the second in a series of Blue and John Crow Mountains World Heritage Site Economic Opportunities Workshop. And finally, Fort Rocky in Port Royal has been announced as Jamaica's first entertainment zone. Entertainment zones are areas in which any legal entertainment and sports activities can be staged any time of day or night unhindered as long as the organizers are mindful of the historical value of such sites. In making the announcement Thursday, Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange urged the private sector to take advantage of the economic opportunities entertainment zones provide. Minister Grange said 2 other entertainment zones would be set up outside of the corporate area. And in line with Kingston being designated a creative city of music, the minister said government would be reinforcing festival tourism with the Jamaica Carnival 2018 and Reggae Month 2018. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thank you for watching.